Hey friends, if you wish to remove black bars from games in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, I wouldn't call it a feature, it is actually a bug which happens when you are using a system which is of lower graphics than the ones required by the game. So, the first solution will be to use the native display resolution. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select display, and then for both scale and display resolution, use the recommended settings. The next solution is to restart the computer and the game and let it decide the resolution itself. So here's the thing, when you restart your computer, it will kill all processes including the game, I mean totally. And when you restart it and when you restart the game after that, here's what happens. The game will try setting its own resolution, and when the game starts setting its own resolution, then it will pick the best resolution in that case. The next solution is to update the graphics card drivers. I'll tell you how this is done. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and select update drivers. Right click on the second one and select update drivers. And this will fix it. And obviously the last one is to add a graphics card if you're using a desktop computer. In laptops you cannot do that. In that case you'll just have to give up on the game. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.